Okay, so here you can see a solid wooden frame. So this is made of wood piece, completely a single piece of wood, and I'm going to use the acrylic paint on top of it to draw the sceneries. Okay, all right. So you can see the blue lines. So blue colors. This is the lake, and the yellow and red tone is the sky, defines the sky, and the green color, these are the mountains, and these are the tree lines in a far distance. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw several the boats here. So this is almost looks like a parking spot for the boats. So you can see boat drawing is very easy, just few lines. Draw another line and put some racks here to define the board. You can see here, just a very easy drawing. Awesome. So there's the first one, and now I'm going to paint the second board here. Okay, and another line I'm going to put here. Okay, all right. Put the black shadow side of the board. Okay, you can see the top positions. Okay, and the wooden frame on top of the board, these are graphically I'm presenting. All right, so two poles, one is here and another one is here, so you can see the poles, and some other boards are on the other side, so you can see here. Okay, so as you know from the rules of the perspective, the board which are in a far distance, those are going to be the smaller in size, so that's why I'm putting the both sides are smaller. All right, so everything is just with the corner with a big bamboo pole, tied with a bamboo pole, so that the board stays steady in the banks. All right, so there's another pole here, and just few outlines like this one, it defines a shadow on the water. Okay, so I'm putting the shadow on the water, and this is the base point of the mountain lines. Okay, here also I'm putting the base point of the mountain lines, so these are the clear definitions. In this point I am also putting the base lines, okay, which is separating the tree lines and the water body. Okay, all right. For the top of the mountains, it defines the two single mountains. So the first one is this is the lines for the mountains, and going to the top. Okay, going to the top and coming to the bottom. So this is the separate one, going to the next one. Okay, and it's going to be to the bottom of the hill. Okay, all right. So two mountains, the first one you can see I'm just drawing it nice. Okay, few outlines is like the shadow on the water, so this defines, just putting some water, mixing it with the water, just blur the effect of the colors, so you can see the water here. Okay, all right. And here also you can see the mountain lines, so going up high. Okay, and in a far distance, we're just putting the taller trees. Looks like this. Okay, so putting here some of them, here two, and also here one. Okay, and just drawing like this. You can see the tree lines. Those are very taller. All right, so three trees here, and we're going to draw two trees here. All right, this is the first one, and the second one I'm going to draw within the context. And you can see the bottom is just coming up to the ground. Okay, and here it stands the single tree. Okay, all right, all right. Now I'm going to use some white color to make the variations in the shades. So it's going to be side by side with the black color, so just decreasing the impact of the color and making the water looks like the real one. Okay, so everywhere putting little bit white color merging with the black color. So you can see that the painting, when you put the colors, so the colors comes in different stages. So first layer, second layer, like this one. Okay, this is how you can see the drawing is completed. That's why painting is a multitask work. Now I'm also going to take the water and put in the blurred color effect on the water. Okay, so one more thing is left, that is the putting the shadow on the water. So the trees, you can see, just putting some steps and the shadows, putting the water for the shadows. Okay. Okay, all right, a single shadow here, and that's it. The shadow is done. Now for the shadow of the hills, we are going to need some green color, and we're putting the green on the water. Looks like a shadow, that's why we're mixing it with the water a little bit, and you can see the shadow is falling on the water. Okay, okay, all right, so a little bit green on the water and the shadow, you can see. Okay, all right, and here just removing the the green part on top of the black one. Okay, just we're going to use some sponge type cloth to make it dry. Okay, so we're just putting out the green color on top of the board, so board remains the black color. All right, so the effect of the drawing is very good. Okay, so there's the presentations. It's a nice idea and everything looks fine, I hope. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.